firstly put in the magazine and then take it out. When there is light, use this to long press it for like 5 seconds. Then you will see it's shining for 3. And we need to change it to 1. So again, if the flash stops, then again, have to put it in. And then take it out. And make sure the light is on. And then press. Same for 5 seconds. And then you will see it turns to flash to 4. And we need to, again, we need to make it to 2. Same, press 5 seconds. And then you will see it's flashing 1 now. And then, again, press 5 seconds. Okay, when the light is 2, then it will work with the target like this.